Hello viewers, in this video we will learn how to download and use AnyDesk in Windows 11. Let's get started. Open any web browser, go to the Google search engine, type AnyDesk, and press enter. Open the official website and click on it. On this interface, click the Download Now button. The download will start shortly. Go to the download section and check the download status. We found that the download is complete. Right-click on it, then select Show in Folder. Now right-click on its setup file and select Run as Administrator. This is the interface of AnyDesk, and this is your AnyDesk ID. You can access another PC by typing the AnyDesk ID here, then clicking on the arrow key. Now it's time to wait for a response from the other end to access the other PC or laptop. After receiving permission, the other PC will become accessible from your laptop. Your problem will be resolved. I hope this video is helpful for you. See you in another video. Goodbye.